Matapos magmarunong at magdunong-dunungan nitong si Index Card Queen Risa Hontiveros.
Una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President.
At nitong si Mr. Bendalo Erwin Tulfo, kaugnay sa motion ni Senator Rodante Marcolita.
They're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend.
Talaga, Charmin?
Is that the reason why?
Ay nilamon ng kahihiyan ang dalawang senador matapos silang masupalpal ni Senator Rodante Marcolita into the highest level nang harapan silang sabihan na mga walang legal background. Kaya ang motion ay mahirap maintindihan.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito pong mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga po na
Dahil naman sa kabastusan nitong si Mr. Sanaol Kiko Pangilinan nang hindi na nito pagsalitain ang presiding officer upang ma-recognize ang kanyang katanungan, ay napangaralan at nasirmonan tuloy siya ni Senator Loren Legarda, bunga ng paghuhurumentado nito sa plenaryo.
previous...
Senator Lacson actually has the floor.
With the permission of Senator Lacson.
Senator Lacson has the floor. May we continue with the manifestation of Senator Lacson, and then after him, he will yield to Senator Pangilinan.
Madam President, I was earlier, it was the manifestation of the presiding officer, the Madam Chairperson, that after Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President. Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Madam Chair,
We are not able to ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. What? We are not able to ask questions as to who.
Mga kababayan, trending na naman sa social media ang tinaguriang pinakamalinis at laging hugas kamay na presidente matapos umano'y halos walang pakialam ang ilang bagong graduate sa kanyang talumpati.
The honor code instilled in you by the Academy. Never lie, never cheat, never steal, and never tolerate those who do.
At mas lalong pinag-usapan online ng isang summa cum laude na kadete ay sukang-suka at diretsyong nilagpasan si Bangag at hindi kinamayan. Sa video na ito, makikita ninyo kung bakit maraming Pilipino ang nagsasabing namimiss nila ang dating estilo ng pamumuno ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Believe si Duterte, to be fair, hindi naman siya corrupt, ano?
Nanguna naman ang Pilipinas sa listahan ng mga bansang pinakamagandang mag-invest. Good news! Base sa survey ng US News and World Report, hindi naging hadlang ang malaking populasyon ng bansa sa mabilis na pagtaas ng Gross Domestic Product o GDP. Maganda rin daw ang pasok ng pera dahil sa remittances at lumalagong tourism industry. Pangalawa naman ang Indonesia sa listahan na sinundan ng Holland. Kasama rin ang Malaysia, Singapore at Australia sa mga bansang pinakamagandang mag-invest. Naging masaya naman ang survey ang entrepreneurship, economic stability, favorable tax environment, innovation, skilled labor, technological expertise, dynamism at corruption.
Gusto kong umiyak. Maybe when I say my farewell, if I get to live on the last day of my term, I'd like to say something and maybe I'll cry. Gusto kong umiyak dahil hindi ko maanong taong binigay nila ng pagmamahal. Ito, 20 years is...
balang araw bababa rin ako dito sa pwesto. Balang araw mamamatay ako. Makakalimutan rin ako ninyo. The Bible says, there is a time to be great. Kagaya ko, presidente ako. I do not know why. But there will always be a time that I will be nobody. And that is sure to come. And maybe to die thereafter. There is always a time for plenty. But there is always a time for one. There is always time to be merry, happy, and a time to be sad. A time to be healthy, strong, kung bata ka pa. But sure as the sun will rise in the east, we will be told and quick. There's a time to feast, but it's time to want. The time to be spending the pera ka, but sometimes may problema. And a time for war, and a time for peace. And a time to be born, and a time to die. And a time to die.